Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to look at how to fix the Windows Update error 0x80070002. First, restart your computer and run Windows Update again. Sometimes a simple restart clears temporary issues. If the error is still there, open the Start menu and then go to Settings. Type Troubleshoot in the search bar and then go to Other Troubleshoots. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and let it detect and fix common problems. This tool often resets update settings automatically. Next, check your date and time settings. If your clock is wrong, updates may fail. Right-click on the time in the bottom right corner, choose Adjust Date and Time, and make sure Set Time automatically is turned on. If the problem continues, you can clear the update cache. Open the Start menu, type Services, and press Enter. Scroll down to Windows Update, right-click, and choose Stop. Then open File Explorer and go to the C drive, Windows, Software Distribution, and delete everything inside the Download folder. Go back to Services and start Windows Update again. After this, try checking for updates once more. These simple steps usually fix the 0x80070002 error and get updates working again. Thanks for watching.